show event organized by Ash. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and here we are. We have Gauri Tikare as our judge. We have Gauri Tikare as our judge. Gauri is model and actor. Her Instagram page and everything I'll mention in the chat box. So she is Miss Fashion Icon 2019 winner, Miss Popular Fashion Icon, and also worked as model for AC Fashion, lead actress for Wilbur's Real Estate Ad Agency, worked as a model for Adlibs Production, brand ambassador for Bajaj Classic, Pancham Kolam Lachkari Rice. So we welcome you, Gauri Tikre, as our judge. Also, we have all other participants here. So, on the behalf of our institution, I extend an extremely hearty vote of gratitude to our Chief Judge Gauri Tikre. So we'll start our event with the participant one, Aditi Ghanorkar. Do we have Aditi Ghanorkar here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, please proceed.
So should I start with my intro first?
Yes, you can.
Okay. So a very good afternoon to our dear judges, Gauri Madam, to our host, to the technical team, to the organizers and all my fellow participants. So my name is Aditi Ramesh Ganorkar and I'm really looking forward to explore myself in the field of fashion and dancing. For me, fashion is something that makes me feel more like myself. So I hereby thank everyone for giving us this opportunity to present ourselves even in this mess of pandemic. Thank you. So here I proceed.
Okay, Aditi, so good. Shall we move to our next participant, who is Anushka Darekar?
Ma'am, it's not Anushka, I'm Anshuka.
Okay, Anshuka. Sorry for the.
Can I start, ma'am?
One second. Gauri, it's fine. You can just mention it a chat box. Please proceed.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I am Anshuka Darekar from SIA College, Dombivli East. Going to present a short role of Ashnur Kaur in Patiala Babes called Mini. So here we start. ओहो बेब्स, देख आ गई। चाय आई तो पी लेते हैं, क्या जाता है। और वैसे भी खाने की चाय है, सबको नसीब नहीं होती। पी ले, कोई नहीं। थैंक यू।
Okay, okay, fine. So our next contestant is Atish Vidhate. Do we have Atish Vidhate? No. Shall we move further? The next contestant is Divya Jagdale.
Yes, you can. You can call the next one.
Divya Jagdale. No. Nafisa Sheikh. Do we have
Yes,
Nafisa Sheikh? Yes, please.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, she is there.
Hello everyone, myself Nafisa Ayaz Sheikh and I am from KV Pendaka College. Today I am performing the role of Anita Ji from Bhabhi Ji Ghar Par Hai and my look is this. The small role of Anita Ji is देखिए ना तिवारी जी, विभू को मैं कितनी बार समझाती हूँ ये फालतू काम क्यों करते हैं, एक अच्छा सा जॉब लेकर अच्छी सी नौकरी क्यों नहीं कर लेते। अब तिवारी जी आप ही समझा सकते हो उन्हें कि एक अच्छा सा जॉब कर ले, है कि नहीं। मैं तो उन्हें कितनी बार समझा चुकी हूँ लेकिन सुनते ही नहीं है। लेट्स सी आपसे समझते हैं या नहीं। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
Yes, yes. Thank you. So the next contestant is Kirti Sanhotra. Kirti Sanhotra.
Yes, she is there. She is there.
Yes, Kirti Sanotra. She's not responding.
Hello, Kirti. Hello.
Okay, ma'am. Then we'll move
Maybe
further.
some network
She'll
issue.
perform last. Okay.
You can call. Huh? Yes, 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 yes.
So the next contestant is Nishigandha Khairnar. Nishigandha.
Yeah, ma'am, just give me.
Yes, yes. Please proceed.
Just a second, ma'am. नहीं होते. You guys hear me? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, we can. We can hear you. Yes.
Nishiganta have left the meeting. Okay, I think she joined again. Yes.
Yeah, can I start again?
Okay, okay.
My mom couldn't handle the phone. So, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Actually, I wanted my mom to hold the phone, but this could only be possible. So.
Kashmira,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
so you can invite the next participant.
Okay, she's done, right? Okay.
Yes, yes,
Ravina,
I think so.
Ravina, please take over.
Hello. How many participants we are done with?
This was Nishiganda. So we have Payal
But how-
Jain. Payal Jain is the next contestant.
Yes, ma'am. Can I
Yeah.
start?
Yeah, please proceed.
Good afternoon to one and all presented here. Myself, Payal Jain. I am from JVM Degree College. So today I have recreated the iconic look of Devolina, aka Gopi Modi from Satnivana Satya 2, and I have created this look from season 2. So she doesn't have any iconic dialogue, as I guess, but the way she pronounce or call anyone, like for example, AMG, Maji, Rashiben, these are the famous lines I think she has. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Okay, so the next contestant is Prajakta Jadhav. Yes, Prajakta Jadhav. Do we have Prajakta Jadhav here?
No, she is not there.
Prathamesh Gaikwad. Okay.
Not here, not here. Continue with the next one.
Okay, then we have Shweta Prajapati.
Yes, she is there.
Shweta Prajapati. Yes, Shweta Prajapati.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Please proceed.
Yeah. Good afternoon, judges. My name is Shweta Prajapati. I am from Khan Education Society. My character is Dayaben from Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Here I go. हेलो हेलो टप्पू के पापा, मैंने आपके लिए शायरी बनाई है, डब्बे में पैक करके दे दूं? ऐसे थोड़ी ना होता है, आप मेरी बात देखने से होता है, ये गलत है। आपको सुनना चाहिए ना मेरी बात। जाने दो कोई भी। थैंक यू।
Okay, so next we have Sujata Rathod. Sujata Rathod. Not there. Okay. Viral Mange. Do we have Viral Mange?
Sujata Rathod,
Yes,
she's there. Hi, Sujata. Sujata is on mute.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Ma'am, my name is Sujata Rathod. I am from JVM Degree College and I'm taking this look from Ishqbaz as Anika. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Please proceed.
yes, you are audible.
शिवाय मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ? लग रही होगी एकदम परी जैसी। ओ माय गॉड, ये गौरी आ रही है क्या? हाँ हाँ, गौरी आ रही है। शिवाय देखिए ना मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ। ये जो रायता फैला है, पहले इसे तो समेट लूं, दादी आ जाएगी, नहीं तो मिचमिची मच जाएगी। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next we have Viral Mange.
Hello, this is Viral. I'm from SIES Nerul College, and I'm going to play a character from the Kapil Sharma show, who is popularly known as Rajesh Arora. Okay.
Okay.
Viral, please, can you put on your camera? Yeah, yeah.
बेटा मैं ना किसी की भी नहीं सुनता। बेटा स्कूल में मुझे टीचर ने कहा हाथ खड़े करो, मैंने नहीं सुने। फिर मुझे टीचर ने कहा हाथ हाथ मारो, तो ऐसे टीचर पे थोड़ी कोई हाथ उठाता है।
Okay. So the
Thank you, Nachor.
Kashmira, please proceed on.
yes, the other participant, have they joined? Um, Kanika Pahwa. Kanika Pahwa.
Yes, dear, I'm a faculty.
So your name is
I am also
Yash
participant.
Mishra. Yash Mishra.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are.
Hello, everyone. My name is Yash. I'm from Thakur College of Science and Commerce. I'm an actor, dancer, performer, and I've been doing theatre from the last 8 years. Uh, Frankly, I don't have any such character. So, other than that, can I play some movie character?
Yes. Yes, please, please.
Okay, so I'm gonna play Kartik Aaryan from. Everyone knows this one. प्रॉब्लम प्रॉब्लम ये क्यों एक लड़की है मेरी लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना है उसकी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है और भाई डर किस बात का वो तो चाहती ही ये चीज थी भाई तुमको क्या लगता है रिलेशनशिप में आने के बाद सब शॉर्ट हो जाता है पूरा अलग है ये उसका बर्थडे याद रखो उसके पापा का बर्थडे याद रखो उसकी बहन का याद रखो उसके कुत्ते का बर्थडे याद रखो ये कोई बात हुई थैंक यू
Okay, thank you. So next
Thank
we
you.
have Janvi Upadhyay. Do we have Janvi Upadhyay? Prajakta Jadhav. Atish Vidhate. Hello Sindhu ma'am, these are the remaining participants who have not joined the link.
Listen, Kashmira, more participant was there, na? Kirti Sanota.
Yes,
She did
Kirti Sanhotra.
not perform, na? She is in the group now. Please call.
Yes. Kirti Sanhotra.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ इधर
Hello everyone, I am Kirti Sanhotra. You can get by.
एक मिनट वो ना बैक कैमरा हो गया था. हाँ अब स्टार्ट कर.
Hello everyone, I am Kirti Sanhotra. You can guess by looking at me. I am representing Kokilaben from Satnithana Satya.
और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी चले मेरे पास आई थी तब कौन
सी वो गया था.
Okay. So I think ma'am we are done. Kanika Pahawat.
Yes. No, that's the faculty or faculty.
Okay, Kashmira, see, I have judged Aditi Ghanolkar, Kirti Sanotra, Nishigandha Khairnar, Nafisa Sheikh, Payal Jain, Shweta Prajapati, Viral Mange, Yash Mishra, and okay, this many, and Sujata Rathod.
Okay, fine. So we have
Yeah.
So these are the people who are in the meet and others haven't joined yet. So ma'am, what should we do? We should wait or we should end it over here?
No reply. No reply from the group, so we can wind up. I think.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Nobody reciprocated now, so I think so.
Okay, ma'am. So, Gauri, judge, please send the results to me, and also Okay, ma'am. Then Gauri will.
If Gauri ma'am want to yes ma'am, if Gauri ma'am want to talk to this
हम
participants,
गौरी मैम को कुछ बोलने के लिए
ma'am,
बोलो ना, हमको सुनना
please
है उनको.
yes, you please Gauri ma'am, please address the participants, whatever advice you have to give them, you want to give them,
Yeah.
please.
Sure. So thank you, Sindhu ma'am, and thank you, Kashmira, for first of all giving me this opportunity to judge online auditions. All participants have done very good job. Like I remember, and I was nostalgic about my college days. We never had a contest where we could perform online. So first of all, I would like to congratulate that you all are participating online. That shows your enthusiasm and your interest in co-curricular activities. Also, I would like to congratulate the college, JVM College. This is my second time judging all the participants from JVM, and I am really appreciating the way how you guys are coordinating. Well, about the participants, all were good communication wise, acting wise, and the looks which you have carried out, very good. I enjoyed um, judging you all. Definitely I'll be it will be very difficult for me because there are only point marks which are been varying, and it is very difficult for me to uh, judge who is the best among you all. um, well, so all the best for all of you. How are things going online? Lectures, apart from lectures, how are you guys enjoying the lockdown or not? I would like to hear from you all also, because in your introduction part also many of them have told a very little things about you. So if we have time, Sindhu ma'am, I would like to uh, ask questions also if we have time, because there are very less participants, or else we
Yes,
can
ma'am, definitely.
yeah.
No,
Yes, ma'am, you can.
ma'am. Please.
Okay. Okay, so can we start by question answers round, or this is a kind of where I have to judge on acting, confidence, and communication, or it is kind of a personality contest? I want to. I'm not sure about what
Ma'am,
competition is this.
together, you can, yeah, it is about personality also, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you can ask anything.
You can proceed.
All right. Okay.
Kashmira will call out the
Sure.
names, ma'am, and you can ask them questions sequence wise. Okay, ma'am. You can.
Okay. Since we have time, let's make it a more fun and interactive session. Yeah, Kashmira, you can call out the names. I would
Yes.
like to ask them why they have chosen this character as well. So,
Yeah, sure. And anyone from participants or even from our team, anyone wants to know about the modeling means
yeah,
about
you can.
you can ask her, you can interact. She'll be guiding you for.
Hello, Gauri.
Hello.
I just want to know, how did you enter into this?
Okay, Ravina, good question. Actually, I am HR by profession, and since childhood, I was crazy about acting. Not modeling much, but yeah, crazy about acting. I have done theaters when I was in my college and my school times. But later on, my parents had told me to complete my graduation, grab a job, and then look into this. And it is very necessary to have a backup, because this acting field or modeling field is not easy to get in. So definitely I was concentrating on my curriculars or my studies also, and then apart from that, whenever I got time, I used to do this modeling ka thing. So do your studies. See, graduation is must nowadays. Percentage, no one will ask you for the percentage. So I was not a bright student, nor I'll tell कि bright student does good in their future. You have to score मतलब first class तो मिलना चाहिए if you want a good job. And about acting, how I went into that is, I have done only one pageant so far, that is from Avika, and that first pageant I cracked all the rounds, and then I got this title of winner. But definitely my participation from my schools and my colleges helped me a lot to gain the confidence And about modeling, I had few contacts. We were working closely, so that definitely that also helped me. So you have to keep on interacting with new people. That will definitely help you. And participate whatever you get a chance, wherever you can see any competitions. Don't worry about whether you will fail that or you will win that. Just participate, because you have to compete with yourself and not others. Keep this in mind. Will help you in your future, that you will be your own competition. That's all.
Thank you, Gauri ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Any other?
Gauri ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Aditi, who?
Gauri ma'am, can I ask you something?
Yeah, Sujata, tell me.
Ma'am, I follow you on Instagram. I really like your profile since last 1.5 year. I follow you on Instagram. You look really good, amazing. I wanna ask you something. When you enter in this industry, did you get a family support?
Yes, definitely. I think for this Avika fashion icon, I had never registered. My family registered. I was not knowing about it. See, family support is also important. If your family is not supporting, make them understand that why. See why this is important for you. We have very bad thoughts about modeling, because we hear so many things. I don't know. I am from a village, but my family is supporting me so much. So that's the reason I am doing my job and this modeling ka thing both. I am getting a huge support from my family. You have to keep that much relations with your family also. You have to be connected. If you're back answering your family anyways, they will not be supporting you any. So definitely you have to keep relations good with your family. Make them understand why this career is important, how this career can help you in your future, and how much you're interested in that. Interest also counts.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Sujata, for liking my profile and me. Thank you.
No, ma'am, I like your profile. You really look good. You really look gorgeous.
Okay. Thanks.
Also, we are so proud to see Gauri as a model, because she really belongs from a village and her parents are so supportive. She was during the fashion show, she was so much shy, but she managed it so well, and yes, she is a winner. So hats off to Gauri and also to her parents for supporting her throughout the journey.
Thank you, Kashmira.
Have
Any
you?
questions? More questions?
Yes, ma'am. Aditi here. Aditi
Yes.
Ganorkar. I would
Yes,
like to
Aditi.
ask you a question, ma'am. Like, according to you, what all things we should inculcate in ourselves, like from this stage to reach a high level, like to get into this field, what all things should be inculcated in ourselves, like what all measures we have to take, or what are the qualities we should develop in ourselves? Can you just tell me about that?
Yeah, Aditi, good question. See, confidence is will help you in any field. Confidence you should have, not overconfidence, but yeah, confidence you should have, that whatever you will be doing, you should do homework on that. Proper homework will help you. If you have decided to go into acting and film industry, I would suggest take a course, because there are many who are being trained in acting and modeling, and then they come, and if we don't have any background of the same, we will definitely not get selected. So I would suggest that even if you are outstanding, take a course or proper training before you go to any auditions, or if you see to go in this field. Also keep a backup, because definitely luck matters in this field. So keep a backup, that if acting will not work, you should have a plan B always.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Shweta Prajapati here. I want to ask you a question.
Yes.
I want to know why did you and how did you came in this field?
Okay, so Shweta, So professionally, I am really at a good level right now. But profession and passion are two different things, and I was always crazy about acting and modeling since my childhood. Every girl is crazy about it. Like we look in mirror for 100 times a day, and we do all nakras, and so I was like that only since my childhood. And I had participated also in theaters, in skits, in every theater or any play. I was there a part. I used to write poems, I used to write scripts in my school days. So I was always wanting this field to be my career. But not unfortunately, fortunately, I got a job in one of the MNC and I'm working there. But there is something that I feel missing. I want to keep my passion also growing with me, and that's the reason I went to this modeling field. And whenever and however chances I get, I just grab it. And that's how I keep myself happy with both the things, my profession and my passion, both the things. And definitely, if I get a good opportunity as a profession in acting, I'll definitely quit my job and go there, because my all interest is into acting.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, Gauri ma'am, I have a question.
Tell me.
At what age did you realize that you have to make career in acting or this field?
uh, Not a proper age. I, as I told, from childhood, I was planning to go, but then because of my graduation, I couldn't. Like I wanted to also have a good score, good job, because I said plan B is always important. So I got my job when I was in my last year, and then after that, maybe after that in 2017 onwards, like when I was 21 years, I got a means I was a bit serious about it. 2021 is the right age if you have to take any training, or because you know what, 15 16 years your mind is not stable at all. You want to do all the things around, and you have to make your mind stable, your goal set, what you have to do. You have to keep a plan B and then go ahead. So I will say after 20, 21, 22 is the right age to step into this, because you're mature. And if you're not, be mature. And you have to think of what you're doing, it will help you or not. And take trainings, because we know we all are not perfect. We have to take training before we step into anything.
Yes, thank you.
Yes. So, any more questions?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please proceed.
Hello, ma'am. I would like to know about your experience, like first day when you started modeling. How and what experience, like, you were confident or you were nervous on your first day of modeling?
No, I was not at all confident. But yeah, like you must be having your friends or your family members who will be into, photographers or any videographers. So I have done my first photo shoot from one of my friend with whom I was comfortable, because facing camera is not that easy, and you cannot judge how the person in front of you is judging you. He will be friendly or not. So definitely sharing a rapport with the photographer is very important. So when I had my first photo shoot with AC Fashion, he was my office colleague. I had a good rapport with him, and then he thought that I should step into modeling, and he made me understand what all career I can do with modeling and acting. And so I was nervous, and I was not that confident. But yeah, first shoot, whenever you do it with those whom you trust, so that you can just improve yourself in front of them. And it's okay if you make mistakes. You will not get demotivated. Always take a friend with you who is full of motivation, and who will give you all good vibes and positive vibes.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, Yash
Hello, ma'am.
Mishra, we were. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Proceed.
thank you for that. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. So
Hi.
I want to ask you about the thing. Like in this industry of Bollywood, it takes a lot of confidence, and at
Correct.
times you are broken down, and people call you by names. They actually pull you down. So, what what's the thing that you actually makes you keep going all the time?
Okay. So Yash, I said that you should never compete with others. You should only compete with yourself. And people will say you will do good. People will ignore you. You will do bad. People will always come up that you are bad. So ignore them. And this is your life, your decisions. Definitely you're not here to please everyone, and there will be always people who will be unhappy whatever you do. So just ignore them, because you have to grow in your life. And there are people, there will be times when you will be demotivated, but yeah, keep the good work and good vibes, be with the people, make friends who are always motivating you. And definitely we are, all are aware that now depression and all these things are coming up, but meditation will help you. And if you ignore people, then definitely you don't need to be getting depressed or sad about it. You have to just ignore and be what you are. uh, that's all, Yash, from my end.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So let's move further. Any more questions? Okay, okay. So, Gauri, you will hand over your result to me, okay?
Yeah.
And okay, fine. So,
She wanted to ask some questions to the participants, na Kashmir?
Question answer
Kashmira?
round was going to happen, right?
okay, okay,
Yes, yes.
okay.
Gauri, हाँ.
Yes.
So
Okay, so you will be
Anushka
calling
will read
out
out.
names. Yeah,
Yes,
anyone will
Anushka will be
please.
reading out the names. Yeah, and you can ask questions to them. Anushka, you can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Aditi Ganorkar, are there any questions you want to ask them or vice versa?
No, I think I'll be asking the questions right now. Hi, Aditi.
Yes, hi, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, so Aditi, you carried a Marathi, like you choose a Marathi character from Agabai Sasubai, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the reason that you thought that this role you will be taking ahead?
Okay, ma'am. So there are actually two, three reasons. So I will put them one
Okay.
by one. Firstly, 2 years back, I met her at a time of, I guess, I guess 3 years back at a time of our Sunya Gharchi. And when I met her, that time I liked her as a person. Like personally, I liked her. When I met her, shoot was going on and the way she was performing. So that was the first thing which came to my mind when I was finding a character. Second thing is came the height she has, the personality she has, and particularly when she wears a sari. So that look I personally like a lot, and so I thought to choose her as my character, and to portray her character in front of you. I hope I did it well. I gave my best. I hope every one of you liked it, and ma'am, you also, you also liked it.
Yes, yes. Okay. So Aditi, you're from which college?
SIS Nerur.
Okay, and which like what are you pursuing right now?
Right now, I'm doing my mass media, that is BAMMC,
Okay.
first year.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Fine, Aditi, I'm okay with it. I just want to ask this only, why you have choose that character. I'll ask it for everyone. So that's it. Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
thank you, ma'am. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So Anushka Darekar.
Ma'am, it's not Anushka, it's Anshuka.
Sorry.
Anshuka.
Okay, Anshuka. Okay, sorry.
Ma'am, I like that character. That's why I played a small role.
Okay. That's it. Only because you like that character. Anything special about that character you know, or person you know?
Yes, Anshuka.
Yes, ma'am, just I like that.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
So Atish Vidate.
He's not in the mid.
Jagdale, she here? Okay then. Durgesh Mishra? No?
No, Anushka, I think can I call out the names, because there were few who did not attend
Did
this
not.
meeting.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Yeah,
Sure.
so I'll take the names.
Yeah.
Nafisa
Sure.
Sheikh.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nafisa. Why did you choose your character?
I choose the character of Anita Bhabhi ji because the nature of Anita is very good. Her vibes were in the serial is very good, and her looks. I was impressed by her looks, her dress ups. That was what the reason.
Okay. So Nafisa, if you get a chance to work as a similar role as Anita, then you would be interested for that?
Yeah, ma'am, sure. Because the major thing which I liked from her is she's very conscious about what is happening around her, and her looks are. She know how to carry the looks of any frock or sari, whatever she's wearing.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Payal Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Payal. Tell me why you choose your character.
Ma'am, I have chosen Gopi from Satnibana Satya because I have been watching that serial when I was in school, and I used to love that character a lot because she has a very sweet and cute kind of character, which role she's playing, and the anything about her was very like uh, what decent, and every dress which she wear, whether it is jeans or sari or dress, she creates a different aura, or and i I used to admire her a lot, like from season 1 and season 2, and she has a very polite behavior in reality also, so I choose that character.
Okay. Okay, okay, no problem. Shweta?
Hello,
Shweta?
ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Shweta, can you tell me your reason for choosing the character?
Yes, ma'am, sure. I like that character since childhood and seeing Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. And she
Hmm.
is quite famous. Tarak Mehta Ka Chashma, everyone see. Like
Okay.
small children also see. And Daya Ben character is quite famous. And
Correct.
everyone loves her character.
Yeah, so but Dayaben has her
And
own
comedy.
specialty. Yeah, yeah. But
Garba.
yeah, Garba. So why you did not? I was waiting that you would do a Garba for us.
Now I can do, ma'am.
Okay. Can you do it now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay. Please, please take your time and do it if you could.
Yeah, ma'am, sure I can do. I will do.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. You're looking very lovely in this getup.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. All
Welcome.
right. Yash Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yash. You told me that you have done a role from Karthik's role, right?
Yes, ma'am. Karthik Aryan.
Karthik Aryan, yeah. You like that dialogue? Or how is it?
I'm being honest, I had no idea what to perform today, so I just picked any random dialogue.
Okay, so you
I'm
did,
ready.
did it on the spot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. But
I
good.
just completed. I just completed with my exams at 12, so Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's as
Okay.
well as I can.
Okay. Yash, I have a compliment for you. You have very good looks, plus you have very good attitude and acting skills. Try in acting. You will definitely
Thank
get something positive.
thank you so much, ma'am. That means a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Next one is Viral.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Viral. How are you?
Hello, I'm good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Viral, your dress up was very nice. That was from Kapil Sharma
Show, yeah, right.
show.
Rajesh
Correct.
Arora from Kapil Sharma show.
Correct. Correct. That is the same, right? Dr. Gulati.
No, no. Dr. Gulati is a whole other character. Rajesh Arora is a character which Kapil Sharma got in like 2018, and from then, since now, he's been acting with his character, and he's been the actually many of the comedy circus judges like Sidhu and Archana. They have stated Rajesh Arora as the best character till date they have seen in their career. So
Correct.
this is the greatest character that I have been following for like 2 years.
Hmm.
Yeah, his
Okay.
acts. Yeah,
Okay. Fine. So that's the reason why you have chosen him.
yeah. For even I have performed it in various my functions, like family functions. I have performed it. They asked me to dress like him and perform it. So yeah, the accent. So I can also do the accent, and also the look somehow matches me. So I do it.
Okay. Okay. Next one was Nishigandha Khernar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Nishigandha. Tell me why you choose this character.
Ma'am, looking at my getup, you can see that I am Shania from Maja Navrachi Biker. So there are three reasons why I chose her. First, her optimism. She is very optimistic. Second, her trustfulness. She is very trustful. And third, how no matter what obstacles come in her life, she always, tackles them and gets ahead. Yeah, in age she is younger, and yeah, by maturity she is less. But even after all of this, she's still happy, positive, and a pep into the whole show. Like without her, I think Madhya Navraji Baiko would lack a certain salt in it. So that's why I am Shania.
Okay. One more quality in Shania is she is foodie.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. And she loves the shop like me, and she loves to eat like me. And I love her lip colors, they are always so bright. And yeah, that's it. And she's a Mumbai girl like me. So,
Okay. 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 No problem. Fine. Thank you. And
thank you, ma'am.
yeah, one more was Sujata Rathod, right? Thanks, Nishigandha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Sujata. Yeah, why did
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible. तुम्ही मराठीत बोलाल तर मला खूप सुंदर वाटेल.
बरं चालेल. मी मराठीत बोलते. जे कोणी कम्फर्टेबल कुठल्या लँग्वेज मध्ये असतील मला सांगा. मी त्या लँग्वेज मध्ये बोलेन.
Okay, ma'am.
सुजाता, तू हा रोल का चूज केलास?
Ma'am, Anika, she is my one of favorite character from Ishqbaz. मतलब तिचं कॅरेक्टर मला याच्यासाठी आवडतं की ती खूप असं म्हणजे बोलतात ना हसवणारी प्रत्येक गोष्टीमध्ये सगळं तर्क शोधून काढणारी अशी मुलगी आहे म्हणजे माझ्यासारखी मी घरात अशीच वागते आणि छोटे छोटे असे डायलॉग घरात बोलत असते मी ये रायता पेला पहले उसको समेटो तर मला तिचा कॅरेक्टर खूप मनापासून आवडतो आणि when I was in 11th I think I meet her and I said ki ma'am I am big fan of your matlab she hugged me and kissed me and said keep loving so I like her.
Okay. Okay.
I like her character and the way she dressed up, all thing like साड़ी घाघरा कुछ भी पहना है उसने उसको खूबसूरत तो दिखती ही है ऊपर से इतना अच्छा वो मतलब गेटअप लेती है और उस पे उसके डायलॉग मिचमिची मत मचाओ रायता मत फैलाओ so I like her character. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome.
Ma'am,
Next. हा. ओके. थँक्यू. मला पण तू आता आवडशील. छान ऍक्टिंग करतेस तू.
तुम्ही पण खूप मनापासून आवडता. मी तुम्हाला लास्ट 1.5 इयर 1.5 इयर पासून मी तुम्हाला फॉलो करते. मला तुम्ही खूप आवडता.
Thank you. That's really sweet. Thank you, Sujata. Yeah. Next one is Kirti Sanhotra.
She's not in the mid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone I have missed?
Yes,
I think
there is one contestant.
Ma'am, one contestant is there, Roli Upadhyay, I think. One Janvi Upadhyay is there.
Yeah, Janvi.
Okay. We can see her performance also, na, ma'am?
Sure.
Yes.
She has just joined, I think.
Yes, ma'am. She has joined just now. So we'll take her performance.
Yeah. Please coordinate.
Yeah. Janvi Upadhyay. Janvi Upadhyay.
Janvi, are you ready to perform? Janvi?
No, ma'am. She's not responding.
She's not answered. Okay, no problem. Then we can end.
Okay. Okay, fine, ma'am. So, are we done?
Yes. Competitions have been done.
Okay.
So then Gauri ma'am will be giving the results to us. Na? So by the meantime, I would like to invite Savitri madam, our HOD, to address the gathering, as this is our last event for this year's ARSH. So I would like to invite her to address us.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So,
yes, Kashmira,
so by that time, Gauri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कह रही थी तुम बोलो पहले.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so thank you so much, Gauri, for being so interactive and also for being the perfect judge for our event. We are very grateful to have you here. We wish you more success ahead. And also, hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes.
Yeah. We are thrilled that you have joined us for this event. We are excited to have the opportunity to showcase the talent. So I'll
What happened, Kashmira? Network issue?
Maybe in some network issue.
Hello.
Okay, no problem.
Savitri
okay, no
ma'am, you
problem.
proceed. You proceed further.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Gauri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. This is your profile picture.
No, that is not my profile picture.
Okay. I was thinking it is like it is Sonali Bendre, na?
It is Shruti Hassan.
Achha, Shruti Hassan. Okay. I was thinking, oh, Gauri is so beautiful. She looks like a Sonali Bendre.
Ma'am, can you please once turn on the camera? We want to see you.
To me? Okay, just a second, Just a second, please.
Gauri ma'am.
Please. Yeah. Just a second, I wanted to say the same thing. Just a second, please. Yeah. Sorry. Actually. Yeah, Gauri, please.
I think I have to join again because because I had disabled my camera. So I'll just join again. I'll leave this call and join again because it's not allowing me to on my camera.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Fine, Gauri ma'am. You just leave this and join again.
Okay.
Yep.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yes, Sujata.
Sujata is audible.
I would like to thank all the team member. I really enjoyed this session. मेरे को नहीं पता अगर मैंने मिस कर दिया होता तो क्या होता. Thank you so much, Kashmira Di, for giving me this opportunity. I am really loving you guys. Thank you so much.
You are in which year? Which class, Sujata?
I am FY DMS from same college, JVM Mehta.
Acha, okay. Then we'll meet. We'll meet in college next time.
Yeah, ma'am, for sure.
Has Gauri joined?
Actually, even Savitri ma'am, I was thinking that she might be looking as Shruti Hassan. मुझे लगा कि हाँ वो शायद दिखती होगी. फिर मैंने उनका प्रोफाइल चेक किया, पर वो दिखती है थोड़ी बहुत श्रुति हसन जैसे. सो आई थॉट हाँ उनका ही प्रोफाइल पिक होगा.
वो दिखती है
हाँ, she looks like श्रुति हसन. तो मुझे लगा उनका ही होगा.
नहीं, मैं तो सोनाली बेंद्रे जैसा देख रही थी उनको.
मैम लास्ट ईयर वो ही थी जज लास्ट ईयर भी फैशन शो के लिए.
हाँ ये सही थी ना गौरी. मैं नाम सुना लग रहा है मुझे. इवन वो मार्शल को भी मैंने फाइनली पूछा कि मैंने आप आए हो क्या हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन में. तो ये सेट कि यस लास्ट ईयर में ही था मोनो एक्ट और इसके लिए स्टिक प्ले के लिए.
लास्ट ईयर कोई था. लास्ट ईयर भी हम लोग ने उसको बोला था कि मतलब वो कैसे हम लोग को मतलब थिएटर के लिए वगैरह वो ही हम लोग को सिखाते हैं सब. तो उनकी वजह से हम लोग थिएटर आर्टिस्ट वगैरह बने. तो हम लोग उन लोग को मतलब उन्हें वही रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे कि हमारे कॉलेज के लिए प्लीज जज मतलब बी अ जज करके.
हर्षदा मैडम,
हाँ
हमारा इवेंट कंक्लूजन स्टेज में है अभी.
हाँ यस
हर्षदा मैडम अभी ज्वाइन किया है.
हर्षदा, अच्छा ओके.
इट इज इन द फिनिशिंग स्टेज मैम. इज इन द फिनिशिंग स्टेज.
हर्षदा हमारे पहले क्यों नहीं आई हर्षदा?
मैम सॉरी मैंने अभी लिंक देखा. आई वाज हैविंग माय लंच एंड आई वाज हैविंग लिटिल वर्क. हो गया खत्म मैम. आई जस्ट चेक अगर एक्सटेंड हुआ है तो
परफॉर्मेंस खत्म हो गया ना. वी आर इन कंक्लूजिंग सेशन.
You can see our judge now. Gauri ma'am.
Yeah, hi.
She joined now.
Actually, I don't know what happened. Yeah. Hello, Savitri.
Yeah,
calling me.
Savitri. आपको वीडियो
Hello?
अपना वीडियो ऑन करने के लिए बात करेंगे.
Yeah, Savitri ma'am. Actually मैं ना ये एरर कश्मीरा को भेजती हूँ. I'm getting some error. Check your system cannot, maybe because this is my office laptop or something like that. I cannot. I'm really sorry. I cannot start my camera.
ओके नो नो. हम कश्मीरा की बात में आपका फोटो देख लेंगे. ये बच्चे लोग फर्स्ट ईयर के बच्चे हैं ना. फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट है. आपको
फोटो में तो बहुत सुंदर दिख रही है. मैम तो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल दिख रही है फोटो में. मैम देख चुके हैं.
Thanks.
ओके. तो और कुछ शेयर करना है बच्चों को? कुछ पूछना है? नहीं तो अदरवाइज कंक्लूड करेंगे हम.
Ma'am, I would like to thank the whole team, Kashmira and you and Anushka and Savitri ma'am for engaging us students in fashion show. It was such a excellent time. Everyone looked so amazing, and thank you Gauri ma'am for such great advice for people who want to become future models. So thank you so much, the whole team and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Nishi. Thank you.
Sorry ma'am for interrupting.
Okay, so
Hello ma'am.
हाँ काश्मीरा.
Yes ma'am. One Atish Vidhate.
हाँ काश्मीरा.
Atish Vidhate, he lost his connection. He joined actually previously, but now he lost his connection. So he wants to perform now. So should I allow him?
It depends on judge.
Is he
Or
there in the group?
you allow?
I can't
Yes.
see him.
Okay, now, ma'am, no.
Yeah.
He will join
Yeah.
now. So, Gauri, is it okay for you to let him perform?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, okay.
हर्षदा?
हाँ मैम, मेरे लिए वो परफॉर्मेंस बाकी था शायद. And that's so sweet of
Yes,
Gauri
you
ma'am
are the
for
showstopper.
yeah.
तुम्हारा विल पावर इतना अच्छा था, फंक्शन देखने के लिए एक स्टूडेंट आ गया अभी.
देखो ना मैम. I was so like curious to see whether let me try if I can watch at least few these participants.
हर्षदा मैम लेक्चर में वापस करके दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको.
That will be so nice of you, Nishigandha. But only if everybody is okay with it.
Okay, by the time वो
हाँ वो दूसरा
नहीं,
पार्टिसिपेंट आने तक कर दे क्या?
हाँ.
That would be so nice, Nishigandha, of you, and you looking. हाँ.
जज मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
किलर का काम हो जाएगा तब तक. Will do. गौरी?
I'm not able to hear you, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
No, जब तक वो कंटेस्टेंट आ रहा है ना लड़का.
हाँ.
Nishigandha wants to perform just for us.
Yeah, sure. That's fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Gauri
Sorry
ma'am,
for
she is our student, and she definitely I would like to see her performing also. That would be so sweet of you. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, Nishigandha, you
Thank
can
you.
perform.
That's it.
Thanks, Nishigandha. You're looking very pretty, yeah.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ काश्मीरा.
I think he again he lost his connection. So let it be. We'll move further.
ओके, वी ऑल वेर एंजॉइंग. वैसे तो ये ऑनलाइन ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था, लेकिन केवल नेटवर्क के कारण थोड़ा सा स्टूडेंट, इवन मोनो एक्टिंग में भी इतने सारे पार्टिसिपेंट थे, 3-4 पार्टिसिपेंट परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाए नेटवर्क इश्यू के कारण.
Yes.
That is our bad luck.
So, ma'am, I think we should conclude this event with the vote of thanks.
Okay, you have already proposed no vote of thanks?
No, ma'am. It is yet to be proposed.
Okay, you propose, please. You go ahead, and then I will conclude the meeting.
Ravina.
Okay, on the yep.
Let Savitri madam talk to us, na? उसके बाद आप
Yes, fine, ma'am. Fine. It's okay.
Okay. So once again, Gauri, I would like to thank you for gracing this occasion. And apart from this, this is our last event now. We have conducted 2-day event, Arts the Media Fest, and a student has managed it within 4 days. And it is very, very encouraging moment for students, whereby many professional judges have judged the events, and I'm feeling very happy. We are feeling very happy and even enthusiastic along with the students. So this for making this event successful. I would like to thank each and every judges from the day one. Not only me, but on behalf of our honorable management members of JVM Degree College, respected Principal Dr. Lina Sakka, and Department of Mass Media, myself, my colleague, Assistant Professor Sindhu Ramni, Assistant Professor Sagar Karkhanis. Thank you to all the judges who have spared their time and within one day advance informing they have accepted our invitation and spared so much time for our student, for our institution. It is really, we are really grateful to them, all of you, to have with us. For you have spare your time for 2 days, for this event also. And Gauri, the way you have shared your experiences and also you guided to students, these are the this age of the student, neither they are mature nor they are teenager. And the way you were guiding them, it was really, it will help them, if they want to pursue their career in this modeling or acting, your guidance will help them a lot because you are a professional. And really, I'm thankful to you for guiding the students. And I also thank to all the participants for making successful this event. No, my special thanks to our principal, Dr. Lina Sarkar, being the catalyst, and she inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power behind us always. And finally, so last but not least, I would like to thank our star student. No, they have made it successful this event within no time. So, students, I'm really, really proud of you all. Keep this energy, this inspiration always, to do things. And I wish all the best to you in your academics also, and hope that you will flourish in your career, wherever you want to focus after your graduation. You be successful there also. Okay, thank you everybody. Once again, I would like to thank judge of this event, Gauri. Thank you very much.
Yeah, welcome, and thank you for calling me. As I already mentioned, online pageants are not that easy to judge and to even to participate and take all the responsibility. I would congratulate all the students that they are participating with so much of energy, and this is first time for me also. Like, I have never been a part of online auditions, and pandemic is giving us all these opportunities to concur, means get some good things also. We should focus on that. Correct. So yeah, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to judge your event. JVM में मेरा second time है. I had been in JVM first last year to judge one pageant, and that time also I had seen the coordination and the students all were excellent. This time also, again, if even the mode is online, but students were excellent. So good going, guys. All the best for you all.
या स्टूडेंट, ये कहावत है ना एक कि वक्त सब कुछ सिखा देता है. फर्स्ट वी वर थिंकिंग कि ऐसे इवेंट है, हम लोग ऑनलाइन कैसे करेंगे, बट ये पेंडेमिक और टाइम के हिसाब से सब लोगों ने अपने आप को ऐसे ढाल लिया कि वी नेवर फेल्ट कि ये पर्सन टू पर्सन नहीं हो रहा है हमारा करके. Has given that personal feeling. So no, time is great. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, participant. Thank you. See you again.
Yeah, in person next year.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thanks
much.
to Gauri ma'am. Yeah, team.
क्या हमारे कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट अभी कितने हैं यहाँ पे? सिंधु, सागर,
फर्स्ट ईयर.
अच्छा, नो BMM के मैं कह रही हूँ बेटा, BMM के.
Only Kashmira is there.
अच्छा, ओके स्टूडेंट जो
Anushka is also there. Anushka is also there.
You can leave there now. We will meet in future very soon. So we will conduct our department student meet now. Others can leave.
Let me have.
यही लिंक भेजते हैं सिंधु.
हाँ मैडम भेजो, यही भेजो. मैडम ऐसे ना पापी को.
सिंधु सुनो ना, मैं मैसेज.
हाँ बोलो मैम.
मैसेज करता हूँ.
हाँ ठीक है.